Welcome back to Smart Path Academy. On the Cambridge Checkpoint exam, securing marks often comes down to one specific habit: editing errors without changing the original meaning of the sentence. Think of an exam sentence as a row of solid connected blocks. Usually, only one single block in the middle is broken. Examiners want you to be a sniper, making a targeted correction, rather than a bulldozer that levels the whole row. On the left, we swap out the single broken word. That earns the mark. On the right, the bulldozer rewrites the entire sentence. In the exam, changing the author's structure loses the mark, even if your new grammar is correct. To succeed here, you must follow one rule: correct only what is wrong, and leave the rest of the sentence exactly as you found it. To find the error, start by looking at how words describe each other. A frequent issue on the checkpoint paper involves mixing up adjectives, which describe nouns, and adverbs, which describe actions. Take this sentence. Zaction is the verb moved. Quick is an adjective, trying to describe that action, creating a grammatical mismatch. We fix this by turning it into the adverb quickly. The original meaning is perfectly preserved. Now, look at this example asking us to fix exactly two mistakes. A painting is a noun, requiring the adjective beautiful, not beautifully. Next, never breaks the logic. We swap it to ever. We fixed two words, and the meaning remained the same. By focusing on how words function, specifically modifiers and negatives, you can easily make precise edits that earn full marks. Let's apply this to some practice questions inspired by real Cambridge checkpoint patterns. Read this sentence about the turtle. The verb is crawled. To describe how it moved, we change the adjective slow to the adverb slowly. We leave the noisy beach exactly as the author wrote it. Here, good is an adjective describing the smell. To describe an adjective, we need an adverb. We change wonderful to wonderfully. I'll put two more problems on the screen. Pause here and identify the specific words that need to be swapped. Look at didn't hear nothing. On the left, a student rewrote it as I heard only birds singing. Deleting original details loses the mark. On the right, changing nothing to anything fixes the grammar while keeping the original phrasing perfectly. This is the sniper approach. In this dual error sentence, we follow two steps. First, we change the adjective quiet to the adverb quietly. Second, we fix the logic by changing never to ever. Success in these questions is about discipline. Test your ability to follow instructions and resist the urge to change the author's original style. Here is your final Smart Path Academy checklist for mastering this skill. First, check that adjectives and adverbs are used correctly. Second, verify negative logic makes sense. Finally, ensure you find the exact number of required fixes. Most importantly, keep the author's main idea without adding extra words. Now for the final challenge. This sentence contains two mistakes. Apply the checklist, identify the errors, and type your corrected sentence in the comments. Sticking to the evidence in the text is what makes you an exam-smart student. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson from Smart Path Academy.